It's summertime and time to enjoy those delicious fresh salads. I'm Tess, and today I'm making a Copycat Catalina salad dressing using tomato soup. Stay tuned. You can make this Catalina dressing in the blender, food processor, or use a hand mixer. This is such a quick and easy salad dressing. I have a cup of vegetable oil and I'm adding in a can of tomato soup, and you can use your favorite brand. The tomato soup is the delicious base to this salad dressing. Next I have vinegar, and I'm using apple cider vinegar, but you could also use white. 1 cup of sugar, salt, a pinch of black pepper, paprika, dry mustard, celery seed, Worcestershire sauce, and finally a little garlic and onion powder, giving that a good blending. I've also made this dressing with a little horseradish, and it really adds a nice zing to this dressing, especially for dipping vegetables and cheese. This should be refrigerated in a lidded container, and it will last a good long time. I store my salad dressings in a lidded mason jar. I love this homemade Catalina dressing over fresh salads, and it's also great for dipping and in sandwiches or wraps. The tomato soup adds a nice flavor, and all the other spices really blend well together. It has just the right amount of sweetness and tang. This Copycat Catalina dressing is so easy to make, and I hope you give it a try. When it's soup and salad night, you want to have a nice, rich, tasty dressing for your salad. Or, if it's wing night, you want a good dipping sauce. I'm Tess, and today I'm making homemade blue cheese dressing. I'm starting with a cup of mayonnaise, and I'm adding in a half a cup of sour cream, about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 of a teaspoon or a sprinkle of black pepper. 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar for some tang. And this is 5 ounces of blue cheese crumbles. And a half a cup of heavy cream, and I'm adding just a little at a time, giving this a good mix. Depending on the consistency that you like, you can add a little more cream. What I like to do is kind of smash some of the blue cheese crumbles so the flavor disperses throughout. This goes in a lidded container, and I'm refrigerating for at least 2 hours before serving. We love this homemade blue cheese dressing on salads, and it's also great for dipping vegetables and chicken wings. I hope you give this easy homemade blue cheese dressing a try, and enjoy! If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!